More breaking news coming in. There is more proof tumbling out now to which points that all was well with the Rajputs. The slander campaign that is being run by several, including Aghadi leaders in Maharashtra, is now being debunked by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. These videos of Sushant Singh Rajput with his sisters have been accessed by Times Now. It is his niece in the video that we see. This is, I believe, a video that was posted on a social media platform, which is Snapchat. These videos have now been accessed by Times Now, which prove to the fact, which are testament to the fact that all was in fact well with the Rajputs. All those who have so far been claiming that Sushant Singh Rajput was estranged with his family, his sisters and his brother. This comes as a big blow to all those people. Priyank continues to be with us. Priyank, you've accessed these videos which show Sushant Singh Rajput in happier times with his family, his niece especially, I believe.
Yes, Santi Poonam, and these are another proof of how Sushant wanted to enjoy his life. There was no sign of him ending his life, which we have been time and again focusing. But these are the Snapchat videos of uncle, who shared with his niece over the period of years. What we know that Malika, the niece of Sushant Singh Rajput, was born when Sushant was 14 years old, and the uncle and the niece had a very close bonding over the period of time. They used to go out on vacation, and whenever she used to come to the city of Mumbai, or whenever Sushant used to go to Chandigarh or Panchkula, they used to share good bonding. And in these snapshots, it's clearly shown that how Malika has written that I'm trying to teach Sushant Singh Rajput, Sushant, to know how to use Snapchat.
Right.
So a teenager trying to convince an actor, such a big actor, how to evolve, how to look into the other aspects of life. It's very clearly seen in these videos. We have accessed almost a dozen of these Snapchat details, Poonam,
right,
which certainly debunk the theory which has been come out by the Chakrabarti camp or the Maharashtra police that Sushant wanted to end his life.
Absolutely. It's also the Maharashtra government, really. We've seen leaders from political parties in Maharashtra who have been claiming that the fact that Sushant Singh Rajput did not get along well with his father or his sisters needs to be probed. To all those people, this comes as a big tight slap on the face.
Yes, certainly. And what we know that Sushant was the one who told Malika to go and pursue her career in the University of Iowa in the United States. So this kind of encouragement from Sushant, which was given to his, not only to his niece, but all those people who were needy, has been highlighted by Times Now. A few days back, our colleague Mohammed Wajirullah also spoke to one of the student who was studying in school and who was financed by Sushant Singh Rajput to go to NASA. These were the two students, and among one of them was the one who got gold medal for this achievement. So on one side, socially, Sushant was trying to bring peace and love and all these affection to the kids in the world. On the other side, his private moments, his shared videos on social media with his niece clearly establishes that Sushant wanted to do something big in his life. He wanted to give love to his family member, and not what has been claimed by Ria Camp. In these videos, what we know that Sushant and Poonam?
Yes, Priyank, go ahead.
So what we know that Sushant had pursued Malika to go and pursue her career in the United States, where she is into creative writing, and she was also told by Sushant to pursue his writing career. Imagine Sushant when he was 14 years old, and then the niece came into life. What could have been the more importance of a brother to see his sister getting a baby child? And since then, he had been very actively, this is what we know from the family member side, actively involved in the career aspect of Malika Singh, which is also clearly seen in these videos. Back to you in the studio, Poonam.
Right, Priyank, stay with us. Kajal is also joining us on this broadcast. Kajal, now over the last few days, we've seen several such videos that have been put out by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. It comes in response to not just the Mumbai police and Camp Ria, but also in response to Aghadi leaders who've been claiming that the fact that Sushant Singh Rajput was estranged from his family needs to be looked into.
Yes, in fact, the videos are showing sort of a cohesive family unit, and that is the aim with which the family has put these videos out, especially because there was some criticism, not just from political leaders, but also from Camp Ria, trying to portray that all was not well Singh Rajput family itself, and that is something that they have tried to dispel with these videos, where Sushant is seen taking an active part in the celebrations, in the small aspects of family life with his sisters,
Right.
and with extended family.
Right, Kajal, stay with us. We here are taking our viewers' calls on Times Now. Of course, several lapses have come to the fore on part of the Mumbai police. There are several angles, several twists and turns that this entire case has taken over the course of the last 60-odd days. Geeta from Vellore is calling us. Yes, Geeta, go ahead.
I have only two questions in my mind that's running out. When Disha has been in the sense like before doing the autopsy or whatever you say, like after her death, waiting for COVID.
Right.
Why didn't he wait for Sushant to do that COVID test before getting him into cremation or something like that? And my second question,
Yes, Geeta, go ahead.
I think this is the second question from my side is why they didn't give enough time, being a Hindu, Sushant being a Hindu, why a time was not being given to the family to do his rituals, what we normally do before cremation? What was the hurry
Right,
for them to take
several
that?
questions are coming to the fore. These questions, of course, the Mumbai police needs to answer. Was there really a rush to bury this case, so to say? Because we did see the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government rush to push the suicide angle in this entire matter. These videos that have been accessed by Times Now, 10 of which have now been put out by Sushant Singh Rajput's niece. She is debunking the theory that Sushant Singh Rajput did not get along with his family. He was estranged with his father and his sister. Priyank and Kajal continue to be with us. Kajal, we are of course awaiting a response from a member of the Shiv Sena or any of the Aghadi leaders really of how they respond to this entire slander campaign that the family has now responded to.
Well, yes, we are trying to see if the Shiv Sena reacts, because it was Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut who had actually floated this theory that Sushant Singh Rajput was not getting along well with his family. None of the other leaders have alluded to this as much as he has. We will wait to see whether he does react to this. But so far, the Aghadi ministers and leaders have gone on to say that they feel that there shouldn't be much of an issue that is made out of this. They feel that the Mumbai police is competent enough, and that the Mumbai police will try and find a solution to whatever is happening.
Right, Kajal, stay with us. We have more callers on the phone line with us. Anu from Mumbai is calling in. Yes, Anu, go ahead.
To thank Times Now for the relentless work, and I am one of friends, and my heart goes out to his family, and hats off to Navika Kumar also for her exemplary skills that she's shown throughout the season this time. But my question is regarding post-mortem. We've lost family members at midnight or whatever, and many times it has happened that the postmortem is not conducted until morning. We
Right.
were told so. And what was the hurry? So
Right.
my question is, and these things, continuous controversial statements have created a lot of stir. Constitutional investigation is a must, ma'am.
Right,
I
what
request Times
was the
to
hurry,
probe it.
if there was any? These are questions that the Mumbai police needs to answer. Thank you, Anu, for calling in. Sarvesh from Bengaluru also on the phone line. Yes, Sarvesh, go ahead.
Yeah, what I would like to say is, the police have all the authority, but they don't have any accountability. They
Right.
should be made to pay for this. And it should be treated as treason, because they have broken the trust kept by this nation. So they should be treated as criminals, and a treason charge should be, put on them, and they should be tried like any other criminal. That too without giving them any bail. because
Right.
it's not
Right, the
not
Mumbai
for
Police's
conviction.
role, of course, is under the scanner. Whether or not they will be probed as well on the lapses on their part in the last 60 odd days is also under question. Shiv Prakash from Mysuru also calling in. Yes, Shiv Prakash.
Yeah, good afternoon. My biggest thing is the day when the Mumbai police or the Mumbai Municipal Corporation quarantined a senior Bihar police officer. That, I think, is a clinching thing for people to hide something. Because there were many options for them. They could have done a COVID test and proven him positive or negative. They could have done many other things. It was a very cheap act. I think having done that, they shouldn't have any problem in going for a CBI, which is more neutral.
Right.
They are going all out to oppose it. I mean, it doesn't add up like 1 + 1 = 2. There is something out there.
Absolutely.
I think that has to be pursued till the end. Otherwise, we don't feel like we are living in a society where justice prevails.
Right, Shiv Prakash, thank you for calling in. Priyank and Kajal continue to be with us. Priyank, now we just heard several of the viewers. All of them were asking, why was the Mumbai police in such a tearing hurry?
Yeah, that's the point where everyone is asking, Poonam, because time and again our viewers who have been watching our relentless coverage have been also applying their thought process. They are watching what we have been showing on the national television. So their thought is also disturbed, because why this kind of thing is happening? Why Mumbai Police was in such a hurry, Poonam, to come out with these kind of details? We know that Maharashtra government and Bihar government would have been on the loggerhead of making this issue more political.
Right.
But what it appears that more than the Bihar government, which is expecting elections, it was the Maharashtra Aghadi government which was bothered about the advantage the Bihar government would have taken because of this particular issue. So that is the thing which people need to see.
Right.
Forensic samples not sent to the forensic lab on time without having proper judgment. They are coming out on conclusion, not talking to the forensic expert. This is what a sting operation showed of the Cooper hospital. So every point in time, the delay which was caused by the Maharashtra police will be scrutinized by the Central Bureau of Investigation if the court permits them to
Right.
go ahead with the investigation. What we know that CBI has already taken the statement of the family member, and their dump data has also been taken from the handsets.
Right, the CBI investigation is of course underway, so is the Enforcement Directorate and the Mumbai Police probe. We are of course building up to that crucial hearing in the Supreme Court, which is likely to happen tomorrow or day after, which is when the Supreme Court will put one agency in charge of this entire matter. The chorus of course is growing for a CBI investigation. We are keeping a track of all those developments here on Times Now. Do stay with. Right, we are continuing our coverage here on Times Now about the new development that has taken place in this entire case. 10 videos that have now been put out by Sushant Singh Rajput's niece that show the side that not many would like to believe or not many knew in the given circumstance. Priyank continues to be with us. Priyank, you've accessed these videos for us. The niece of Sushant Singh Rajput also took to Twitter just a day, also took to Instagram, I believe, just a day ago, where she debunked any sort of rumors that were being spread about Sushant Singh Rajput and his relationship with the sisters.
Certainly, Poonam, and every day, every minute and every hour, Times Now has been trying to go into the detail of how Sushant Singh Rajput used to live, who were the key people who were close to him. So if any investigating agency would go into the detail, they will come out with some similar sort of detail from all those people who were close to Sushant Singh Rajput. We have highlighted that how the investigation which was done by the Maharashtra police was deliberately kept low, and no further efforts were done by Maharashtra police to look into this particular case. Could be having another possible angle of it being a between suicide. In fact, they focus on nepotism angle, and then we started talking to all those domestic help, the family members, and every individual, professionally, personally, who was in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput. One thing which was common in between them, that Sushant could not have ended his life. So that aspect was properly not touched, Poonam. And
Right.
when we have been trying to get all these videos of Sushant with his sister, with his niece, his friends, family member, every picture, every video, every single minute electronic detail which is left over, because Sushant was cremated in a hurry, his post-mortem was also done. Every aspect, Poonam, is trying to give impression that Sushant was happy, he wanted to pursue his career properly, and not only his career, his family members' career also. Because in this particular video, the niece Malika, who's seen Poonam, it clearly shows that how Malika was told by Sushant to go and pursue her career in US, where she is right now.
Right.
And Sushant wanted her to become a creative writer because her writing skills were very nice. So this kind of thing of taking care of the family is certainly not what has been told by Camp Ria, that he wanted to fight with his sister. There was everything which was wrong in between the family. Yes, there could be some ups and downs in the family.
Right.
But the video and the electronic evidences which are left, Poonam, which we are trying to take out, it certainly does not show what Camp Ria was saying.
Absolutely, and it's just not Camp Ria, it's also several stakeholders in the government of Maharashtra, several people in the Mumbai police as well. Priyank, stay with us. We are taking viewer calls here on Times Now. Our numbers are flashing on the bottom of your screens. Do call us and put forth your questions of what you feel should have been done or should be done in this entire case. Jayanti from Bengaluru is calling in. Yes, Jayanti.
Hi, first of all I wanted to say is hats off to your channel and to all of you, each and every individual. You'll have gone out of your way and it's a beautiful coverage and everything is so crystal clear. I would just like you all to take it to its logical conclusion. Whoever it be finally, whether it's a politician or whether it's Ria or whoever, they need to be punished, and I'm sure your channel should not stop after finding out that it was a murder and then put an end to it, unless and until the concerned person
Right.
is not given the due punishment.
Right, absolutely. Our continuous coverage here will continue. We will keep getting you all the updates. Of course, thank you for your kind words, Jayanti. V. Gujral calling in from Delhi. Yes, Mr. Gujral.
So I just wanted to ask, why has nobody questioned Uday Thackeray that if his son has been involved in this matter? I mean, if he was in place of Sushant, would he have allowed the Bombay police to act in the same manner? I personally feel that in case the Supreme Court does not give a judgment in favor of CBI for SSR, then the government
Right.
and arrest those policemen who have been mishandling this case.
Right, the chorus for a CBI probe only growing. Harish from Pune also calling in. Yes, Harish, go ahead, make your point.
My point is, first of all, you provide enough bodyguards to your journalists, because you are dealing with some very dangerous people. Because I think all these roads lead to some very dangerous, very murderous kind of people. So please take good care of all your reporters. Number one. Number two is, I say dangerous because why would the ambulance driver get a life threat? Why is Ankit getting life threat? Why is the choreographer getting a life threat? Anybody who has come out and spoken against the police and against SSR, everybody is getting calls from international numbers and getting life threats. I think there is something very, very fishy out here, and CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput is a must, whatever happens. Thank you.
Right, thank you for calling in. S. Malhotra from Mumbai also calling in with his view. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Yeah, you see, what I'm saying is, a Kapil Sibal can open the doors of Supreme Court at midnight, okay?
Right.
Now, you see, this case is very hot on the global level. Why this case is being delayed? There are vested interests, I have come to know. Even the judges are involved in this because of Pawar. I'll say openly, I don't care about anyone. And that is why this is being delayed. This case should have been taken a week back. Now it is almost 10 days. This case has not been taken up. Why?
Right.
And secondly, I will give more inputs to Navika if you can contact me. Okay.
Absolutely, Mr. Malhotra. Thank you so much for calling in with your view. Mr. Gulbani also calling us from the national capital. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Actually, this investigation is leading us nowhere, and matter is getting complicated. For a common man, it is very difficult to understand what is happening. The best thing is that these suspects like Riya Chakravarti, Pathani, and Baranda, all these people should be subjected to polygraph tests, like lie detector tests. And as far as the interrogation is concerned, it should be custodial interrogation. Not that in the morning they go there, have a cup of coffee, evening they are back. Let them face custodial interrogation, let them be subjected to polygraph test, lie detector test.
Right.
Then only the truth will come out. Otherwise, it is all, humbug. We don't believe in this investigation. So professionalism is lacking. Professionalism is not there. Right.
Right. Will this mystery unravel itself once the CBI takes over? That's the question many are asking. Some believe that is the only way the truth will come out, and we will actually find out what exactly happened with Sushant Singh Rajput in the days leading up to his death. Times now, of course, is building up to that crucial Supreme Court hearing, which will decide on who gets final jurisdiction in this entire case. Isha Kopikar has now taken to Twitter. She tweets, and I quote, "Praying for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. May his family get justice and know the truth. We are with you." The campaign that was started by Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, by his family, calling for justice, calling for a CBI probe, has now become a global campaign. We've seen several fans, several actors, several politicians as well take to Twitter, take to social media, and demand a CBI investigation in the entire matter, Isha Kopikar being the latest one. Saraswati, a caller from Bengaluru, is calling in. Yes, Saraswati, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Thank you so much for taking my call. Firstly, I'd like to say that Sushant is incomparable in so-called Bollywood. In terms of his intelligence, motivation, talent. He's naturally talented, naturally beautiful, unlike the star kids we see who go for series of plastic surgeries and skin lightening and so on. So, firstly, he was a natural and he's incomparable, and he's going to be so missed. Secondly, on your channel, I heard Siddharth Pithani say that Riya, when she went away, said, after packing her bags and all that, she said, take care of him, take good care of him, I'm just a phone call away. And why would she then block him and not bother about him at all? Right. And then this thing about the Riya camp saying the family was estranged and misunderstandings. Every family has certain small frictions now and then. But looking at all the videos that you are putting up, it is very, very clear that they were a beautiful, well-knitted family, and it's so endearing to see all of their videos. Even a child can make out what a beautiful family this was.
Absolutely.
I don't think we should give the Riya camp any benefit of doubt, or even, acknowledge them, whatever they claim.
Absolutely. These videos are now being put out to counter the unfortunate slander campaign that is being run by the Sushant, against the Sushant Singh Rajput family. Saraswati, thank you so much for calling in. 10 videos have now been put out by Sushant Singh Rajput's niece. We are getting you those videos that have been put out by Sushant Singh Rajput's family as a counter to the slander campaign that's being run. But getting you some breaking news.